I spent seemingly endless hours building a story the way an engineer builds an airplane. I designed it, I gave it moving parts and made them work in harmony. I fueled it with my creativity and flew it with an affectionate courage. It was mine, and it worked. It was an ineffable feeling. There's nothing like having your words in perfect sync with the worlds you create. It gives a purpose, adds meaning to your existence. But sooner or later, I had to try landing it somewhere. On my own blog, perhaps. What about all those competitions out there? Millions of other stories crowding the skies flashed through my mind. Thousands of competitions, tens of thousands of writers flying their works against one another. Submission fees, queues that offer months of silence. I had neither the nerve nor the finances for it. I was doomed to be a hobbyist, as they called it, an amateur, writing for his friends and family. I wished there was a competition that served writers rather than its own publications. I wished there was a platform where writers collaborated rather than competing against each other. One name showed up: MASH Stories. A flash fiction competition dedicated to digging out talented writers and promoting their work. No submission fee, 2 to 4 weeks response time, free feedback. I had to rub my eyes. Excited, I started again. A new story, one that I could never have imagined thanks to the 3 random words they assign. 2 weeks later, I received my response. My story. My rebellious little airplane was shortlisted. It's even been made into a podcast, narrated by a professional voice artist. People I've never met are reading it, commenting on it. Finally, people hear me. Read what I have to say. That's the closest feeling there is to flying. Thank you, MASH readers. Thanks to the volunteer MASH staff. What are you waiting for? Join us. Your readers are waiting for you at MASH.